Here is how to follow someone on Roblox. First of all, you need to go ahead and launch a web browser. Then after, go to roblox.com, which is the official website, and log into your account. Now use the search bar in the top to search for the person that you want to follow. Let's go ahead and enter the username. Now go to their specific profile of the person that you want to follow. Then after, tap on the three dots that is beside add connection option, which is highlighted in blue color. And from the menu that appears, you'll get the option of follow. Go ahead and tap on follow. And you're now following this person instantly. If you want to go ahead and unfollow this person or anyone you have followed on Roblox, go to their profile section, tap on the same three dots, and then tap on unfollow, and they'll be unfollowed immediately from your Roblox account. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.